No, I can't read. Start over. Fucking start over. Jeez. Hey, welcome back to another Tuesday Toy Review. My name's Mikous and you're in the margin. Today we're going to be looking at a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Sewer Sports All-Star Shell Kickin' Raph. Yes! Now this is one of those toys where you say they don't make them like they used to. I mean, the reproductions, okay, fine, but they really don't make them like they used to. New amazing spring-powered leg-kicking action! Looks like it comes with some official soccer rules here on the back. Use safety scissors. Not included. We got our own soccer field. Ta-da! Ta-da! So what, we say we open it up? Gives. Oh, safety giver. There we go. Oh, so minty. Smells like 1991. But one ball? This one's just like a regular soccer ball. Like little shell designs on instead of where the black is. That's a foot soldier in there. That's so cool. Again, this is one of those, they don't make them like they used to details. I love this. And the goal. Looks nice. Here's the leg. The moment of truth. It works. Shall we play on the soccer field? Let's go check it out. Up first, Raphael. Shit. Go. He's coming down. Oh, stop it! Oh man. Come on, Raph, you're wide open. Shoot. Whiff! And alright, Raph. Wide open. Shoot the winning goal. Oh! You lose. Shredder wins. Forget it. This is fun to play with. Goal! So, soccer fan, Ninja Turtle fan, toy fan, this is a great toy. So, loose part still works. Alright guys, thank you for joining us on Tuesday Toy Review. We'll see you next week.